The thrill of a space shuttle launch begins long before the engines roar to life. Preparation is key, involving meticulous checks and systems alignment that ensures every piece of machinery is primed for the extraordinary task ahead. The orbiter, securely attached to its external fuel tank and flanked by dual solid rocket boosters, sits on the launch pad, a towering marvel of human ingenuity. During this phase, the shuttle's heart pulses with anticipation as crew members board, and systems are fueled with liquid hydrogen and oxygen, creating a volatile yet necessary mixture for liftoff. The excitement hangs heavy in the air, palpable and intoxicating, as the countdown to liftoff draws near. With the clock ticking, a symphony of sounds accompanies the ignition sequence. At T-6 seconds, the engines ignite in a dazzling display, a fiery spectacle of combustion that transforms the tethered machinery into a living entity eager to break free from Earth's grasp. T-0 arrives with a thunderous roar as the solid rocket boosters ignite, thrusting the shuttle upwards with the power of 1,000 roaring engines. The moment of liftoff ignites a cascade of cheers, hearts racing as the shuttle defies gravity, ascending through the atmosphere, leaving the confines of earthly limitations behind. The first few moments encapsulate the essence of human ambition, a poignant reminder of our quest for the stars. As the shuttle climbs higher, the initial 2 minutes are a critical phase. The solid rocket boosters burn intensely, supplying 71% of the ascent's total thrust, propelling the vehicle into the sky. Once their fuel is consumed, they detach gracefully, falling back towards the ocean below, where recovery teams stand ready to recapture these engineering marvels for future missions. As the shuttle continues to climb, the space shuttle main engines draw on the external tank's liquid fuel until around 8. 5 minutes post-liftoff, the engines shut down, triggering a moment of silence in what has been a cacophony of power. The external tank, now expendable, is left behind to burn in the atmosphere, leaving the shuttle free and unfettered in orbit, its mission about to begin. With the payload bay doors opening and the orbital maneuvering system at the ready, the shuttle delicately adjusts its trajectory, preparing to execute its mission. The spacecraft is a gateway to exploration, a bridge to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos. After the extensive mission has reached its conclusion, the shuttle embarks on its return journey. Engaging the OMS to decelerate, the hero of this technological narrative re-enters the atmosphere, transforming from a vehicle of propulsion into a gliding explorer. The shuttle lands gracefully on a runway, completing its journey through the heavens, a testament to human innovation and the endless quest for discovery.